So today we are going to see exercise 4.1 question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. So here the question is, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. The length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means 2b. 1 meter more, so plus 1. So we are assuming this breadth as x. So breadth is equal to x. So what will be the length? 2x plus 1. So length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x, because we are going to find out a quadratic equation in the variable x only. Okay, now here according to the given statement, area is nothing but 528. What is area formula? L into B. L is nothing but 2x plus 1 into B is nothing but x. So 2x plus 1 into x. So now multiply this x this side. 2x into x is 2x square. 1 into x is 1x. So you will be getting 528 is equal to 2x square plus x. So the equation is 2x square plus x plus 528. While you bring this side becomes minus 528 and the other side becomes 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Here they are asking you to just form a quadratic equation, but later on you have to solve. You know to solve this quadratic equation which you have learnt in 9th standard. So try to solve this by factorization method and find out the value of x. After finding the value of x, that will be b, and find the value of find the length also after substituting the value of x. So now coming to the next question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So what are the consecutive integers? See, 1 and 2, like this. If you get with this, when you add 1 you will be getting 2. Suppose if this number is x, we don't know the number, so if you want the next number we have to add 1 with the previous number. With the previous number we have to add 1. So the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Here product of those two integers, so x into x plus 1 is given as 306. So it is nothing but x into x square, x into 1 is 1x. 306 you bring this side, so x square plus 1x minus 306 is equal to 0. And try to find the solution for x and x plus 1 and post it to me afterwards. Now coming to the third one. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages is 3 years from now will be 360. We don't know what is the age of Rohan and what is the age of Rohan's mother. So present age of Rohan be x years. So if it is x years, one condition she has given, mother is 26 years older. So avangalapatti 26 years periyavanga. So x plus 26. Mother is x plus 26. After 3 years, what will be Rohan's age? With x we have to add 3. So if you are adding for Rohan, you have to add for Rohan's mother also. So after 3 years, Rohan's mother age will be x plus 26 plus 3. So according to the question, product of their age is given as 360. After 3 years, product of their age is given as 360. So x into x is x square, x into 29 is 29x, 3 into x is 3x. 29 plus 3 is nothing but 32. I told you to solve directly. 3 plus 29 is 32. So you write here. 3 into 29 is 273. So here plus 273 is equal to 0. So here you won't get minus, here all are plus only. So 3 into 29 is here 29 into 3. What is 29 into 3? 29 into 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. So 87, and you have to bring this 360 this side. So when you subtract here you will be getting minus 273 only. One step is left out here, that step you have to write. So x square plus 32x minus 273. How you got minus 273? Actually this 87 you should subtract with 360. Okay, so that you will be getting minus 273 is equal to 0. Then you can find out the value of x. Next, coming to the very important sum. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometer. So now let me do this problem here. So a train travels a distance of 480 kilometer. So second part, fourth subdivision. Distance is given as 480 kilometer. And then if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more. Actually, let the speed be x kilometer per hour. Okay. So what is the formula for time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, always you should remember this formula. Time equal to distance by speed. So distance is how much? 480. speed we are assuming it as what? X. This is normal time. Suppose if you are increasing the speed, if the speed had been 8 km/h less, okay, so suppose if you are decreasing the speed, this distance, if the speed is decreasing, this is the normal time. If you are decreasing the speed, then you should increase the time by 3 hours. This is the normal time, because distance by speed will give you what? Time. Distance speed ஆல் divide பண்ணா we will be getting the time. Suppose இதே டிஸ்டன்ஸில் 8 km/h டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா டைம் இந்த நார்மல் டைமை விட எவ்வளோ டைம் எடுத்துக்கும்? 3 hours. ஸ்பீடு இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணால் டைம் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். சப்போஸ் ஸ்பீடை டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணினா டைம் என்ன ஆகும்? இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். திஸ் இஸ் த கான்செப்ட் விச் யூ நோ இல்லையா? அப்போ ஸ்பீடு, இதுதான் ஸ்பீடு, எக்ஸுங்கிறது ஸ்பீடு, அது எவ்வளோ km/h நமக்கு தெரியாது, அதை எக்ஸ்ன்னு வச்சுக்கிட்டோம். அதிலேருந்து ஒரு 8 km/h ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணால் இந்த நார்மல் டைமை விட என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஹவு மச்? 3 hours they have given. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். இங்கே டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா, இங்கே கீழே டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இங்கே சென்டரில் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். சப்போஸ் இங்கே ஆட் பண்ண அப்படின்னா இங்கே சென்டரில் என்ன பண்ணணும்? சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா ஸ்பீட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும்போது உன்னோட டைம் என்ன ஆகும்? டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். சீக்கிரமே ரீச் ஆகிடலாம். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் த கண்டிஷன். Now what you should do, you have to bring this 480 by x is there, no, that you can bring it to the other side. So here 3 is equal to 480 by x minus 8. எப்போதுமே இந்த கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டை பாசிட்டிவாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. மிச்சது என்ன இருக்கோ அதை அந்த பக்கம் டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணும். மைனஸ் plus 480 by x, value transpose becomes minus 480 by x. இது x by 480 எழுதக்கூடாது, because we have plus symbol in between. Now cross multiply. 480 into x is nothing but 3, you write as it is. 480 into x is 480x minus 480 into x minus 8. What is 480 into x minus 8? 480 into x, 480x, and minus 8 into 0, 0, 8 8s are 64, balance 6, 6, 8 4s are 32 plus 6, 38. So you are getting 480x minus 3840. Here you have one minus symbol. So if you have two terms, you have to open a bracket. If there is one term, you can write directly. If you have two terms, please open a bracket and then write the terms. Now 3 is equal to 480 divided by this also you have to multiply now. So what will happen? X into x minus 8. So up to this you are getting the steps up to this. Now coming to the next part, 3 is equal to 480x minus into 480x minus 480x minus into minus plus 38, 480x minus 480x plus 3840 minus 480x minus into minus plus, so plus 3840 divided by x into x is x square, x into 8 is 8x, so minus 8x. So what will happen? This 480x and minus 480x, plus and minus will get cancelled. Now cross multiply this side. So 3 into x square minus 8x is equal to 3840. So what will happen? 3 into x square is 3x square. 3 into minus 8 is minus 24x plus 3840. You can bring this side, minus 3840 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Now you can divide this by 3 also to get a simple equation, or else you can keep like this and you can find the solution. Here they are not asking you to find the solution, they are just asking you to frame the quadratic equation. Thank you.